as ridiculous as it sounds, this is true. But there's a catch, as you might have guessed. And not many people are actually aware of this. You'll see why in just a second. So keep watching. Alright, just before we start, know that we're gonna use two different protocols for this strategy in the video. And I've left links for both of those down in the description, just below the like button. Right, this is not permanent, and the returns are going to go down as more and more people get into this. You'll also be getting not hot air balloons but airdrops for both the protocols that I mentioned. Now, the first one is going to be this full stack platform, which is Theo. Alright, so all you gotta do is click the link in the description because you'll be getting a boost in the points that you're going to earn. Yes, the first app is a Theo. You just have to register on this app. Just connect your wallet. I use Frabby. You can use anything else. Just don't use MetaMask. I don't know what in the Illuminati would convince you to use that wallet. And once you have connected your wallet, you can come into the invite section and click here to use the code super, and for now that's all you have to do. Again, for the second app that we're going to use, it's called UltraSolid, and yes, that is on Hyperevm, or popularly known as Hyperliquid layer 1. You can click the link in the description or get onto this page by visiting the official Twitter page. Alright, just keep in mind that you need to have your funds on Hyperevm, and the way that you do this is by going onto UltraSolid, clicking the bridge option, and try using either of these three bridges. If not, the simplest way is to use Project X, and you have all the options that you need for all the tokens. You simply select the chain, the token, and boom, you connect your wallet and swap. Yeah, that's as simple as that. But once that is done, you visit UltraSolid, come into the quest section. If you care about the airdrop, you can enter the code super again and apply it for a point boost. And since we are on the topic, this is regarding the points program. And at the time of recording, you have a little more than 15 days to get as many points as you can. Since we've secured our points, we go into the pool section and find this pool right here, USDT TH bill pool. And if you're not very familiar with liquidity pools, don't go with the aggressive option. And I would say choose either the wide or the passive option. But that does come with a very low APR, but you do not have to take care of it much since the range is very large. But if you're not really interested in any of these already set price ranges, you can scroll down and set the range as you like, the minimum price and the maximum price. Once you're happy with everything, also the auto option is not live yet. Maybe at the time you're watching this video it's live. You can go check that out. That might be a better option, but I'm unsure of it at this moment. But once you're happy with everything, you scroll down, enter the amount, deposit those tokens. You can click on the portfolio section and you can keep track of how much you've earned. And if you want, they also have the option for you to track your positions and get custom alerts on Telegram. And while you're at it, feel free to join our Telegram channel. Alright, now just as a reminder, I would appreciate you using my referral code. And that's it for this video.